Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today we will have an unboxing of my new skincare fridge. So if you want to see exactly what my skincare fridge looks like, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back, and this is how my fridge comes. It came in this little paper. Take this off. More junk. And this is the fridge. And this is just 4 liters. And it says it's a DC 12 volt AC/DC. So you can put it on a boat, a car, or in your house. And this is just a car cooler, 4 liters. So it's really small. It's just a small little fridge. A very small fridge. Okay. Let me see what it says. It's no freon or chemicals. It's perfect for keeping food. You can keep food in it, beverages, medicine, and other cooling and fresh. It's a size 243 by 178 by 260. And like I told you, its power supply is a DC/AC. Keep cool temperature 50 C and keep hot temperature up to 65 C. Okay, the watts is cool mode 48W, warm mode 45W. It weighs 1.87 kilograms. And that's what it says right here. Okay, let's unbox this sucker. And this is what the fridge looks like. It's white everywhere else, and it's just pink on the front door. And it also has a little hang carrier where you can carry it like this. And in the back it says AC/DC. The AC is 220 volts to 240 volts. The DC is 12 volts. And then you have hot, off, cool, cold. Okay? So y'all can see that real good. Okay? Okay, we're gonna open the fridge. You can open it right here. Okay, we're gonna open it up. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's see what's all in here. Okay, like I said, it comes with 2 chargers. This one for your car, and this is one for the house. Okay. And it does come with this, and this is what you put on the door part here. Let me put that on there. All you have is one shelf, so I'm gonna put that shelf in. Okay, and that's what this looks like. Okay, like I said, you just have this one shelf, so you can put your stuff in here, and here you can put masks in here. So what you can put in your fridge, for instance, is any skincare. But for me, I would put like vitamin C, serums, moisturizer, a jade roller, mask, stuff like that. But this was just a quick unboxing just for you all, just to see my new skincare fridge. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you have a skincare fridge or not, or if you are planning on getting a skincare fridge. But I will leave all the information in the bottom section of this video, or where I purchased this. It's a lot of places that you can get this fridge from that may be better quality and may get it back faster. In my next video, I will take a tour with you all exactly what's inside my fridge. So stay tuned for that video. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.